In this quick video, I'm going to talk about how a mobile app can help you manage your HVAC company more efficiently and why you should consider creating one for your business. So, first of all, I'm Santiago, founder of Proxy Nexus. We're an app development company, and we work with both startups and non-tech companies like transportation, warehousing, home services, HVAC companies, and more. So, let's talk about some of your pain points as an HVAC company. So you probably have some sort of software system, or maybe not software, but some sort of system like pen and paper, documents. Maybe you use WhatsApp a lot to communicate with the technicians. So you use something, but you probably don't have a mobile app yet. So let's talk about some of the challenges you might be facing without a mobile app. First, you have limited accessibility. It's hard to access the customer and equipment information in real time because you don't have a way to do it. Like you need a way to be able to access the information in real time without communicating with other team members. I mean, as less as possible, because communication takes time. And if you can't do it by yourself in real time, like the technicians, it will be causing like delays in their service and become less efficient. If they have a mobile app, they can just access the information there by themselves on the go, and they become more efficient. And then you rely on manual paperwork and data entry, and that ends up in data loss and redundancy because if you have information repeated in different places, you probably have different information. Just a quick example on this: like imagine you finish a job and you write it down on pen and paper, but then someone on the company asks you for that information, maybe over a voice call or an audio message, and maybe you tell that person the information, but they don't hear it well or something, and they write it down in a different way. So now you have two sources of truth. One is the one you wrote yourself, and the other one is the one the other person in the company wrote. So you end up having just wrong data. So when end of month comes, you need to see what information is the right one, and it just ends up being a mess. So inefficient scheduling and dispatching, when you do it manually, it gets too hard to accommodate last minute changes or emergency requests because you're not scheduling in an optimal way and you don't have the real time updates to be able to do it. So maybe it's something last minute, and for some reason the technician doesn't pick up the call, and then it just gets a mess because you can't take last minute changes. And in the HVAC industry, it's pretty common to do that. And if you can't take last minute requests, you end up losing clients, not only now, but in the future. Because if they can't um, make a last minute appointment with you, they will try to do it with another HVAC company. And when they need another job, they will probably go with that company again, not with you. So benefits of having a custom mobile app. This is just a quick example here on the image of a custom mobile app. And here are some of the benefits. Uh, Automate manual processes and improve communication so your HVAC company can reduce operational costs. If you have automated processes, everything gets easier, you save time. And for example, you can minimize stockouts and ensure the technicians have the right parts for each job. And then you don't get delays on the visits and revisits because maybe you have to wait for the tools or you have to even revisit, which not only loses you time and money, but you end up losing clients or just having a bad customer experience. Streamline scheduling and dispatching processes. If you have a mobile app that helps you um, schedule jobs the right way, you can take on more jobs and easier, so you make more money, you save money because lots of stuff. You save money when you don't lose jobs. You save money when customers keep coming with you and when they refer you to more business. So it's just overall better for you. Then provide better, more informed service to customers. So that's what I said before. It got mixed up with the uh, previous page. So if you have a mobile app with all the customer history, equipment information, you can provide a better service, and clients will keep coming with you and refer you to other business. Reduce manual paperwork and data entry. You can stop relying on pen and paper, WhatsApp messages, phone calls. Maybe you still need to do some, just for some exceptional cases, but you will have all the information with a single source of truth, which is the mobile app that will be integrated with your current system. By using a mobile app to generate invoices and process payments on site, you can reduce the billing errors, save time and money. Just a quick example. I was working with a transportation company that didn't have a mobile app. They were doing all the invoices after the job was done. This was for a transportation company, not HVAC, but really similar case. Like they were doing all the invoices and gathering all the information at end of month, and that was just a mess because they had to get information for so many different places, and they were, first of all, is the huge time consuming stressful tasks of getting all the information, but then they were also losing invoices and losing money because when you have so much information, you don't know exactly where all the information is, you lose some information. And in this case, losing information means losing invoices, and that means losing money because if you don't have an invoice, you won't get paid. And for some HVAC companies, you need to stay compliant with industry regulations. Just in a mobile app, you can have checklists and just a very streamlined process of doing the job. I mentioned streamlining processes a couple of times now, but in this case, I mean on the actual job, like a step-to-step list to know you're staying compliant, and that can be really important for some HVAC companies. So the next steps, if you want to explore how a custom mobile app can help you on your HVAC company, or just talk about in general a mobile app that you want to build for your HVAC company, just visit our website at proxynext.com and book a call. We have a link on the description. So here's the YouTube video. Go down below to the description, click to expand it. There's our link, and I will also pin it. It will be the first comment in the comment section. So you click the website, scroll down, you have our calendar, and you pick a date and time that works for you to speak with us. I will ask you some questions on the form, I think. So yeah, fill us out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how custom mobile apps can help your business be more efficient. All right, see you.